Ladies and gentlemen, this is an important announcement to all WireSat subscribers. Over the next few months, we will be sending out new viewing cards to all of our customers. It is important that you replace your WireSat viewing card as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will no longer be able to receive WireSat subscription channels. This applies to both analog and digital subscribers. Here's how to change your WireSat viewing card. First, pull down the flap on the front of your WireSat box towards the right-hand corner and carefully slide the old card out of the slot. Then, slide the new card into the slot with the smooth side facing up and the slightly ridged edge facing away from you. Then just push the flap back up and click it into place. Your WireSat box must remain powered on throughout this process. The card will only go in one way, so don't worry about inserting it upside down. After inserting the new card, wait about 25 seconds. You should see a message flash up on your TV screen, followed by a short sound to notify you that the card has been authorized. Simply press either the Apply button or the Back button on your remote to dismiss the message and go to channel 995. Remember, if you do not replace your WireSat viewing card, you will lose access to all WireSat subscription channels. Thank you for viewing with WireSat.